and welcome to this quick update. We're bringing to you this big airdrop project, big AI airdrop project that will cook massively. Meanwhile, this is the World Wagon YouTube channel, and we're bringing to you legit and verified airdrops projects for you to jump on and reap massive reward. Today we are bringing this update on Moonberg.ai. Moonberg AI is a very big airdrop project that you should jump on, you should farm. Interestingly, it's very easy to farm. What you need to do is to check in daily. You see the daily streak here. Time is still ticking. I've just checked in. The more you check in daily, the more you earn points. If I check in, I've earned about 9,000 points. So you check in early, go to task immediately. It's always necessary to go to task. Join their Telegram, join their official Twitter, join the invite friends, complete all of these tasks and earn more and more points. Very big project, and as well very easy to farm. Just keep on checking on the interface on a daily basis. Keep your daily streak, up and running. As the day goes by, your points increases. You earn more points, more massive points. And check the task button. Complete all the tasks. This airdrop has everything to do with AI, and it's a big project. So if you check their official, it's all about the AI. It's a big AI project that you have to jump on. Big airdrop. So you join their official social media platforms, obtain more information, and log into the app. Keep your daily streak, complete your task, and invite your friends. I will drop the link to this airdrop project in the description, so do well to click on it and join. The airdrop is still in the farming stage, still in the mining stage, so you are not late. Click on the link in the description, join, complete the task, gather as many points as you can, because this airdrop is going to cook. Yes. All right, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you keep receiving this airdrop update, because we bring to you verified airdrop projects that will massively cook. So don't fade this project. Take this project very seriously. Don't fade this project. Join our free Telegram channel. In the description you'll find the link where you receive daily combos, you receive daily updates as well. So don't joke with this airdrop. The link in the description. All right, we'll see you in the next update. Bye for now.